My name is Yara Singer. I'm here with the Brazilian team. We are from Sou Java, the Brazilian Java user group. We are finishing one setup here. It will be 1 minute more. This talk, it's a mix of, passion, Java, community, a bit of Glassfish, Arduino, and lots of cool demos. Just to start, since we are talking about community, I just would like to know who here is a member of a Java user group, please. That's a lot. That's very nice. I hope the other guys and girls join a user group near you. Have been doing lots of things. Yesterday night, it was a very special moment for all the Java user group community. There are 2 user groups that are part of the Java community process, executive committee. It means the little group that approves or not everything on the Java atmosphere, on the Java community process. And yesterday night, London Java community and Sou Java won the JCP Member of the Year award. So it was very special for the entire community. This is a sign of they want us to participate more. They gave this award for the community, and I hope this next year we, you, and everybody, we can do even more for making the future Java together. Tá usando o cabo errado, será? Good. So this talk is about integrating Java with lots of things: robots, home automation, music instruments, and Kinect. Next, please. So, just a brief introduction of myself. I'm one of the founders of Global Code, a training company. I have kind of 2,000 hours of teaching experience. I'm Jug Leader from Sou Java. I'm member since 2001. I am proudly member of the Java community process and author of several articles. But I'm not alone. I am in a great group. So, Bruno Souza, he's also participating on this talk. He's kind of hiding under the table. So, he's founder of Sou Java in '98. Yes, it's a kind of old user group since '98. Founder of some cool projects. One of them is Tools Cloud, a set of tools on the cloud. Story Troop. So if you want to be part of the Java story, just write your own story at Story Troop, telling the story of Java. It's also called as Brazilian Java Man, the man with the flag. You probably saw him around this year and the other. His first Java 1 was in '97. Is there anybody here that was here at Java 1 '97? Good. So probably saw this crazy man with the Brazilian flag. He's a Java champion and won a Duke Choice Award in some year. I think it was 2003. But the team is big. We also have Juggy. Where is Juggy? Can you come on, Juggy?
Hey guys, how are you doing?
Juggy is our
I'm the main speaker of this talk, okay? Oh, no, don't leave.
Juggy is our Java user group mascot. He's the first open source member of the Jug, the Java Finch. So welcome, Juggy. What do you have to tell our friends here in the audience?
So thanks, everyone. That's going to be a cool talk. I'm an enterprise developer, So we're going to talk here about cool enterprise technologies like EJB, Java server faces, struts, right? Very some new codes. Oh, and Corba, some very cool things, right?
Come on, Juggy. Are you talking about struts?
Why not? Isn't it the coolest thing around? No?
They will leave, Juggy, if you keep talking about struts.
Well, so what are we going to talk about here, Yara?
Oh, Juggy, we are talking about integration with cool stuff, Java EE, but Java EE not for corporate development.
So isn't Corba integration? No.
No, we are talking about integration in this case with Bluetooth and other, home and robot protocols.
Oh, okay. Let's see what that means.
Welcome, Juggy. I hope you have fun in this talk. I would like to introduce also Vinicius Sanger. He's member of SoJava since 2001 or more. He participated at the JSR 314 Java Server Faces. We got the Duke's Choice Award last year for Home Automation Project. He is an NetBeans Dream Team, Java EE Senior Architect, and have some thousands of hours on experience giving classes. Do you want to talk anything about yourself, Vinicius?
No, thanks.
He's a demo.
Yeah.
He's a demo man, and now he's praying for the demo god. So if you can send good energies, we appreciate.
What? Oh, there's a demo god right here.
Yeah.
Why, you're pulling out the cables? No, please don't, demo god. Okay, I think that's praying for the demo gods, I guess.
Thank you, Juggy, for protecting. Don't let him do anything under the table. Next, please. But Juggy.
Oh, you brought me lunch. That's a banana here, Vinicius.
Yes, we have a banana here, Juggy. We are integrating the banana with our computer.
You're what?
We are using the banana as a mouse, Juggy.
Cool, there is Corba in the banana then.
No, carve in the banana. But now we have the Internet of Things, and the banana can be part of the Internet, Juggy?
No.
No. Internet of Things is the Internet that you can sense the things, you can control the things like gates, lamps, coffee machine, and robots. And you can have this control, have fun, automatize your house, and you can do many different projects, all using Java, Juggy. Not just for corporate applications. There is life beyond database applications,
Whoa, that's cool. What does that mean, really?
Oh, so let me show you something. The first thing that we want to show you is to control turn on and turn off lamps. Isn't it interesting, Judge?
Yeah, let's see it.
Let's see. So here we have a project called J-Home Automation. J-Home Automation won the Duke's Choice Award last year. And with J-Home, you can automatize your house using a Glassfish server. So you have EJBs to control lamps, coffee machines, sensors. And it's very funny, Juggy, because oriented object programming, Juggy.
Okay, so I like one thing you said. There is Corba in Glassfish.
There is Corba, yeah. There is Corba in Glassfish. Actually, you can access the coffee machine using Corba if you want, Juggy.
Oh, cool.
If you are missing Corba, I know, it's so funny.
I'm not missing it, I just hate it.
Yeah. So, let me show you, Juggy, how is the user interface to control the lamp with Java. That's the user interface. Isn't it nice, Juggy?
Let me see. Yeah, looks good.
It's good.
Is this JavaFX?
Here, no, it's not JavaFX. Actually, it's HTML5, pure HTML5. And here we have the J-Home Automation console, and we can control the things using this console. So let's turn on the lamp here. So very fast, very simple to turn on and turn off the lamp. Isn't it amazing, Juggy?
I got some things in my wall that does the same thing, right?
Yeah.
I think they call lamp switch.
But here you can turn on your lamp in your house using Twitter.
Oh.
So you can tweet to your house to open a door, or you can follow your house to see if someone is inside your house.
If someone is stealing my house, do I need to follow it?
Yes.
Oh man,
So,
this is very getting complicated. So I need 140 characters to turn on my lamp?
Yeah, max, at max.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the first thing that we want to control is a lamp, but in the place of the lamp it can be anything that is plugged, you know, some air conditioning, a coffee machine, or anything else that you want, a fan, you know. Isn't it good, Juggy?
It sounds okay.
Okay.
You know, you are trying to convince me to get out of enterprise applications. That's not working. You know, I think you need to show something more than that.
More than that, okay, let's see what I have here with me. So, coloring the things, I think that this one you will really enjoy because we are using an RGB LED stripe that is waterproof, and you can put in your swimming pool, and or you can have this kind of RGB light in your house. And you can use the colors to transmit information, like if there is traffic outside your house, nearby your house, the wall can be red, things like that. Let me show you, let me change the color here.
Okay, I kind of like this because birds use colors to show that they're in love.
Wow.
So can I send a love message to my I can't say who she is though.
Okay, so here we have another control. We are using jQuery with some REST and servlets in the side of Java EE, and I'm going to change to blue the RGB LED stripe. So now it's blue. Nice.
Cool. That's nice. Can you make it red?
Can you make it red? Sure. Let's see how is the red color. Red. Now it's red.
That's nice. The color of my beak.
Yeah.
Have you noticed?
Yeah, nice.
Okay.
So, isn't it nice, Juggy?
Yeah, that's cool.
And you can use this for the Christmas time also.
Oh, I see. That's neat.
Yeah, you can think about a Christmas API or something, you know.
So
you can Corba Christmas or something. No?
No, let's leave Corba out of this, okay?
Okay, no problem. So, isn't it good, Juggy? Is it enough for you?
It's kind of cool, but can you do something more than that?
Oh, Juggy, my friend, you are putting me
in a
hard situation. Oh, let me show how to read sensors using Java and Java EE. So here I have some boards with temperature sensor and light sensor. We use to plug a heartbeat sensor, so you can integrate your heartbeat into the internet, so the doctor can follow your heart using Twitter. Isn't it amazing, Juggy?
You're scaring me, man.
So let me show you. Let's start to read the sensors. So here we have the temperature in the screen. We have the light sensor, and I can make it hot. It's kind of 22 Celsius.
So you can make it hot? What are you doing? Don't eat that stuff. It's bad for your health. What are you doing there?
So I can drive an EJB using a temperature sensor. You know, you can have a temperature EJB driven. EJB driven by temperature. Isn't it amazing, Jürgen?
Well, that's very cool. You know, you talk about AGB, so it looks like enterprise now.
Yeah.
So let me understand this. Yeah. You have these sensors, and they are connected to somewhere to this computer. Yeah. And there's a glassfish there somewhere. It's getting interesting, this stuff.
That's it. We have a board here, very simple and cheap board, an Arduino board.
What is Arduino?
Arduino is a platform for prototyping and do-it-yourself developers that want to prototype something new, something different, like plugging the banana into the computer, you know. So
is it really plugging the computer?
There are very crazy projects using Arduino, and also many other boards. You can have more power, like Java ME boards, and you can use whatever you want.
And since considering it's open source, Juggy, we could make one especially in Brazil, you know, so we can make our own board and add and whatever features we want. So
that's very cool.
What we produced was a kind of a super Arduino with more things than the original one. So that's open source hardware.
That's very cool. So what else?
What else?
Yeah, show me more. Show me more. I'm kind of starting to get interested.
Think about scheduling your coffee machine so you can wake up early in the morning and your coffee is red and you have the smell of the coffee, and instead of some buzz, some noise waking up you. So let me show you. Here I'm using EJB timer services to schedule the appliances in our house. So I have the coffee machine plugged here. Let's schedule to start the coffee in 3 seconds, and it will be turn it on for some minutes.
That's a very fast coffee.
Yeah, let's try to see if it's okay. It's working. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. The coffee machine is working. And
whoa!
In a few minutes, we are going to have coffee, a white coffee.
That's neat.
Yeah, white coffee.
What's white coffee?
It's just water. No
But
okay, so let me understand this straight. You came all the way from Brazil and you didn't bring coffee.
No, there are good coffees here also in California. I love the coffee here.
But don't you think it's too much to use EJBs for scheduling a coffee?
Yeah, don't you think it's too much?
No, it's not too much because we are using Java EE inside many home gateways, so that's a big tendency. And Glassfish is very lightweight, and you can run Glassfish in a small device. I'm going to show you later.
Okay, so you're really having an application server there somewhere?
Yeah.
But I remember from other Java ones. It's legal.
Some problem with the coffee here. Okay.
There's memory leak and coffee leak.
But I remember this EJB stuff. Isn't it too complicated?
No, it's very simple.
Yeah, I think it's very simple too. That's what I do every day.
EJB 2.1, Juggy?
Well, it's a lot easier than Corba.
Good, Juggy. That's the nice way of
seeing. It's very
seeing.
simple. Actually, when you are writing your code using JHome API, you can inject the coffee machine object into the servlet and control the coffee machine object. So it's real-oriented object programming.
So that's very cool. You're getting things into objects. Whoa.
Wow, real things. Is the Internet of Things and physical computing, the concept of physical computing, all integrated with Java. So it's very nice. I'm very motivated with this kind of project, you know.
Okay, but you said it's all demo. So what else?
Okay, let me see what I have more to show you. Scheduling things. And now we are going to show you something really different. But I need to put something to start here and to make it work. So I need a minute. You can talk with Yara for a few minutes. For 2 minutes, okay?
For a few
minutes. No, 2 minutes.
Oh, come on, Vinicius. You're really going to get all those people waiting for 2 minutes? Yara, we have to tell a joke here then.
I'm not a good joker, Juggy.
Yeah, neither am I.
Now everybody...
So the cool thing... Okay, Yara, so explain this to me. So basically, we have an AJB server running there somewhere, Glassfish. Why you choose Glassfish?
You know, when he was working with Java EE, he was always using Glassfish as the reference implementation. So one thing that really motivates people on doing, cool projects, it's learning, right? So we went to have the first touch with technologies. So, this is a strange way of testing technologies, but that's Vinicius' way,
Okay.
So he was testing how to use new features of Java EE.
But you're trying to get some application server in a small device.
Yes, but that now the Glassfish is running on the computer. Would you like to see it running on a smaller device?
Yeah, that would be nice.
Like instead of a desktop computer, maybe a notebook?
A notebook?
Is it small enough for you?
No. The notebooks today are as big as they're small, but they're as powerful as desktop.
So, would you like to see it running on maybe Raspberry Pi?
Well, okay. You're gonna put Glassfish running on a Flute?
Yeah, we are making a big mess here, controlling the mouse with a banana, and now Raspberry Pi. We are hungry.
I'm ready, Jerry.
Okay.
Now I'm going to show you the math.
The what?
Apply it. Math.
Math.
No, I hate math. No.
I like math.
There is a guy called Fourier, and he did a very important math algorithm. Sorry.
Yeah, people can understand. They can understand me. I bet they can understand you too.
Okay, good. And we are using here processing, which is a very nice tool that wrote in Java. And here we are using fast Fourier transforming integrated with the things, so I can play some instrument and control my things using some kind of instrument. Let me try to find my recorder, okay?
Your recorder?
Recorder. I didn't bring my recorder. Oh man.
What do you mean, like to record a movie?
No. Oh.
Like the flute,
Oh, you need a flute?
Yes.
Oh, let me see. I don't have a flute here.
You can try to make some noise and see if it works. Try to make some noise.
Sing.
Okay.
You are a bird.
Oh, come on. You really don't want to hear me singing. Can I whistle? Oh, I have. What is this? That's a nice sound. Who is playing that? Hey, Fernando, how are you doing?
Oh, nice. Hey, man, how are you doing? Yeah, I need a flute. So can you play? Yeah, you can try.
Better you do it.
A and B to see if the lamp turn on and turn off. Whoa!
It's not working. So
There was a bug in the player.
Yeah.
So Fernando,
It's not used to high quality people playing recorder,
there is a low quality sensor over there.
Yes.
So you really are getting functionality into music sound.
Yes. Isn't it nice, Juggy?
That's so cool.
So you can use this kind of stuff to teach math to the kids with something applied behind. It's all about practicing with the things, the Internet of Things.
It's all about motivation, right?
Motivation.
Letting people motivated. And I would like to thank Fernando, which is, plays recorder. It's founder of Tail Target, speaker at Java One.
Cool.
Bike Angel at Geek Bike Hide, and in his free time, he's software engineer.
That's so cool.
So
You got some cool people to come to this talk, Vinicius.
yes, the best people from Brazil.
But now, everybody's talking about 3D movies, right? But 3D, it's not enough sometimes. Sometimes we would like to add more dimensions for our lives.
Juggy, think about adding, controlling the things inside the games. And
What do you mean controlling the things inside the game? That's what we do.
Integrating your lamps with the games. Or integrating a fan with a game, and as fast you drive the car, you have more fan coming to you, so you have another dimension inside the game. Let me show you something cool.
Okay, that sounds very cool.
I have a device here, a JavaFX hacking device for games. So,
what is a JavaFX hacking device?
that's the device. So we have in the NetBeans, we have the Brick Breaker game as a sample that we hacked, and we did the brick game. We can control the brick game by the right way, not using the keyboard or the mouse. We are going to use the old way of the brick game, like this. So when I move this potentiometer, I control the Duke here, and this information will be read by the game. So let me show you the game.
So basically you're getting normal things at your house and using them to play games.
Yes.
And you're just using open source software from the network.
Just open source software. It's all open source. You can download, you can contribute, you can make money.
Let me see how that works.
So now I'm controlling. Let me try to put the camera together with the game. It's kind of hard, but so here I'm controlling the game with the potentiometer. So much more fun, and I have an integration. Oops, wrong screen. I have an integration with JHome. So when the lamp's turning on and off when the ball hits the bricks.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah, and when I lose the ball...
Whoa!
Whoa.
What happened there?
That's a JavaFX game, so you can hack the games and put physical stuff, integrate physical stuff with your game. So it's a new concept.
And actually you're doing this with your house, right? So you really could turn on and off the lights of your living room, and you really could, play the ringer in your door.
That's it.
Cool.
So, isn't it enough for you, Juggy?
It's pretty cool, but what else?
Okay.
I still didn't see where Corba fits in there.
Do you have some old JavaME phone device in your house, Juggy?
Not only in my house. I have like 15 of them here.
So I'm going to show how to reuse your old phone or your old JavaME device to control robots and control your house and everything else.
Oh, come on, Vinicius. Isn't JavaME dead already?
Not dead. We have billions of devices, and we need to do something with that devices, you know. So,
cool.
And these devices. Okay. So here I have an application with I have an application running my cell phone. I have a Bluetooth robot that is receiving code over the air, and by the side of the computer you can control the robot using JavaC, JavaME, JavaEE. So let's connect to the robot. The first connection will take more time. Oops.
Whoa!
Whoa!
What happened there?
Wow, the robot is moving.
So you're connecting from your phone directly to the robot?
Yes, that's it, Juggy. And we have a platform to integrate things into your phone. We have a platform called Things Mobile that you can use to make this kind of application very, very easy and fast. So we did it in kind of 2 days, you know? And you can also read sensors in your cell phone, and you can use your cell phone as a remote control to your house, or you can use your old cell phone to display the information of the robot. And so it's a nice usage of for an old cell phone, isn't it?
Yeah, that's very cool. And actually I could even take, it's an old phone, I could even take it apart and use its parts to do that, to kind of have a remote control my wall, for example.
Yes, that's it, Juggy. You are a very smart guy, Juggy.
Cool.
So,
all right, it's getting even better.
Getting better.
But what else?
We have more.
You do?
Yes. Do you know the Kinect from Microsoft?
Yeah, I've heard of it.
You heard of it?
You know, it's pretty hard for me.
Yeah, I know.
You know why? Every time
why.
I try to use it,
Yeah.
it doesn't recognize my arms.
Okay, no problem. Let me show you how to control
You know,
the things.
can anyone do Kinect with wings instead of arms?
Let me show you how to use Kinect to control robots and home automation. So,
Okay, so Kinect, let me see if I understand this. Kinect recognize your movements, and then it, what does it do with it? It sends to the computer, and your computer sends to the robot. Is that what you're going to do?
I'm controlling the robot. It's kind of hard here, but I'm controlling the robot with my body. And we have a .NET application calling the Glassfish servlets that is controlling the robot and controlling the J-Home automation. So I can turn on and turn off the lamps using my hand here very fast. Look at that.
Whoa,
So,
that's look pretty neat.
yeah, that's it.
So actually you can have a dance floor where the lights actually flash on the people moving.
Yes, good example, Yogi. You see it, it's very fast. I love that. You know, I can do it for all the time, all day.
No, I don't think we have all day, Vinicius.
No problem. So that's the Kinect demo, yeah? Nice demo, Yogi.
That was pretty cool.
So we have...
Okay. So I got one interesting thing here. You said .NET applications calling Glassfish. There must be Corba there somewhere.
No, not Corba, but kind of Corba. The web service, you know?
Oh yeah. Web service that's Corba with XML.
That's it. Lot. XML. How did you like this demo?
That was pretty neat.
Yeah.
Pretty neat. But now, let me ask you one thing.
What?
How does this relate to my development?
Well,
You know, can I do anything like this when I'm developing my daily basis? Can they help me out somehow?
when you are developing...
I have an example as
Oh,
well.
hey Fabiani, what are you doing here?
I'm watching you, Judge.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
You want me to tell my example?
Yeah.
Come on, Fabi, tell your example.
So this is Fabiani Nardon, Java champion, winner of a Duke Award, and founder of Story Troop, and lots of other cool stuff.
Okay, so my example is this, Juggy. So I have this website, and from time to time the website is down if there is a problem or if the CPU is too high, and I wanted to...
So wait. So you're doing wrong code because your website
No, my
down from
code
time
is
to time?
fine. The problem is that I have a guy that takes care of the infrastructure, and sometimes he's kind of lame, you know.
Yeah, I think you should fire him.
Yeah. But anyway, so when there's a problem with the website, I used to send an email to him or a text message so he would wake up in the middle of the night and fix the website. But this was just not enough. So I talked to Vinicius and he gave me one of those boards, and we integrated our Jenkins server with one of the J-Home boards and with truck horn. So I gave the sysadmin...
what? A truck horn?
A truck horn. It's
man,
very loud.
That's evil.
Yeah, but I gave this board to the development team and to the sysadmin, and they put, in their bedstand, just in their room. And when there is a problem with the server, like the CPU is too high, the monitoring service sends a message to the J-Home server, and the J-Home server sends a message to the truck horn in the board, and then he's gently awaking in the middle of the night to fix the server. So that's pretty neat. The server is never down anymore. We've been up for several months with no problem. It's very good for your development team. So that's my example.
That's pretty cool. How's that called?
How's that called?
Yeah,
the website?
How's that called?
The website's called StoryTroop.
No, I'm saying this whole process of...
the whole process is extreme feedback.
Oh, it's
and talk about extreme.
Yeah, very extreme, I guess.
Yeah, we can do extremer stuff, but, you know, it's pretty good.
Okay, so is that all of these is running on your Tools Cloud stuff?
Yeah. In Tools Cloud, you have Jenkins, we have several tools, and it's pretty easy to integrate, actually, because JHome is REST-based, so you can do any Jenkins build, and if it breaks, you just call a REST URL, and then you can wake up your developer. It's pretty cool.
Thanks, Fabi. Nice implementation.
That's very cool.
But I remember, Juggy, you want to see Glassfish running in a small device.
Yes, I do. Well, we already said you use Glassfish, and I'm interested in the small device stuff now, because you convincing me. So I have Glassfish running on my big server, but what else can I do with that, Vinicius?
Yeah, we shown in the cloud, right, on this Tools Cloud thing, then in the notebook, and...
We have here a Raspberry Pi.
Yeah, give me a piece.
A Raspberry Pi is a very small board.
Is it too hot?
Everybody is talking about. The Raspberry Pi is Linux-based, and we have Glassfish. Actually, we have a gateway running inside the Raspberry Pi, and we have Glassfish running inside Raspberry Pi, this board. We have an Arduino also connected to this Raspberry Pi, and you can use Glassfish in this size of device. So it's very, very interesting thing. So it's a server, you know, Jug, very small.
That's
cheap,
pretty cool.
And
so who said Linux is not sweet?
Yeah, Linux is amazing. It's amazing, and Raspberry Pi is a very nice board also for doing education and prototyping things with Linux inside, you know. So it's more powerful than Arduino, but you can put together Arduino and Raspberry Pi to hack the physical stuff. So it's very nice and a new big tendency. I have here running the Raspberry Pi, but okay. This one is the website running inside the Raspberry Pi. It's another IP. So I have here my gateway of things. Okay, here I'm running the gateway of things. When you are running Glassfish with Raspberry Pi, the first access to the page takes some time, but the next is very fast because Raspberry Pi needs to compile the JSF page, and the first time, access takes this time. So, but it's running here, and it's we have the image from our hard disk, and we can clone the image if you want. If you have a Raspberry Pi, you will spend a lot of time doing the setup to put Glassfish inside. So we have an image, complete image. You will be able to download our image with JDK, Glassfish, and all the things that you need to integrate Arduino with Raspberry Pi. So it's ready and will be available next week to download. So you can buy a Raspberry Pi to play with. You know, Juggy? Isn't it nice, Juggy?
That's pretty cool. So actually you have Glassfish running this tiny little thing.
Yes, that's it.
Connected to all of the other stuff.
That's it. I used to say that we have now the Java Enterprise Edition embedded server. So we are...
Whoa.
Yeah, the Java Triple E.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
But now, so for this new architecture, you don't need neither the notebook or the desktop, right?
Yeah, you don't
cool.
need. You don't need.
Everything.
You would have in your house one Raspberry Pi on the wall.
That's it.
One mobile device to
and in the OTN launch, you can see different kinds of gateway running in the Java ME side. So they have gateways, more powerful gateways than Raspberry Pi, running Glassfish also, professional gateways that cost kind of $100. So It's very real, and it's happening now. You know, it's not a tendency; it's happening.
So
one cool thing about other things you said there is that it looks like I can just go and hack with the stuff I have, buy a little bit of hardware just to play with, and everything is hackable, right?
Yes, that's it. You see here, we did 9 demos, no fail.
Well, that was very cool.
Yeah, that's it. And we bring out equipment from Brazil. They travel
Right.
a lot, but it's working because now the things are getting more and more easy. So
Hey, demo god, get out of this place right there.
And what
Do
about
not pull this switch, okay? Yeah, okay. So
What about
my
the
prayers
banana?
work it.
and the banana? Tell us a little bit more about this.
Yeah, what
banana.
about the banana? You said about banana making a mouse.
yeah, I'm using a board called Makey, and this board you can use any kind of thing to create a keyboard, a different keyboard. You can see the video in the internet from the Makey. It's $30 from this board came from MIT Labs, and it's very nice to play with your kids or to do different types of input device to your computer. So I think that is very, very nice. You just plug the USB cable in your computer and you have alligator clips, and you put the alligator clips in a banana, so I can use this instead of my mouse. And with the banana here, I can touch the banana. Oops.
It was too early.
Could you call the demo god again? Okay,
No,
it's
I'm not.
working. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So
Get out of this cable, man. God, whatever.
let's touch the banana to change the slide. So I'm touching the banana and changing the slide. You know?
Okay. So now you
The
have
banana. Huh?
you have a spoilable slide changer. What are you doing? That's scary.
I am testing. We need to test the things, you know. I learned with the engineers that we need to test the things by
TDD.
different ways.
Right.
So
Okay.
let's try to eat the banana.
So if you want to look silly in the stage, you know, you get this stuff.
Yeah. Oops. So we have a new thing, because to do all this integration, we need an API, right, Jogi?
Oh, no. Now you're going to tell me that all of these is an API that's open source that I can download and it works?
Yes, we created the thingsapi.org, which is the first API for Internet of Things, and will be launched next week. Will be available to download. We are looking for people to test this API, and this API is available for Java ME, Java C, Java EE. Demo God is trying to, or the Kinect. And the Things API is very complete, and you can have Bluetooth thing, you can have IP thing, you can have serial connection, you can have Zigbee, and we already did all the abstraction. You just say thing dot send some command to that thing, kind of relay, or you can say thing dot read, and you are going to read a sensor. And you don't need to know if it's a Bluetooth device or Zigbee device. So it's a real cool API for Internet of Things.
That's so cool.
So
it's all downloadable and everything's going to run like this?
yes.
And why do I buy all these devices there? Is it hard?
No, you have here in US is a paradise, you know. You have SparkFun, which is a very nice place to buy this device. And we are looking forward to the new Centurion chip, Java E embedded inside the chip. And we are going to do everything end-to-end using just Java. We are going to replace the Arduino boards by the Java ME microchip. So it's very nice to be a Java developer, because you can use Java to control the server, to control the phone, to control the robot, to control the Kinect, to control everything. Isn't it nice, Jogi?
That's very cool. Okay, so can I quit my job now
Yes, you can.
and stop doing Java E, come do the cool stuff then?
Yes, you can.
No,
No.
Juggy, because you will be doing the cool stuff with Java E.
Oh, that's right, that was smart.
So, Juggy, here we have some links. You can download JHome, jhome.globalcode.com.pr. Things API will be launched next week. It's not available yet. It's beta version, and we have our Twitter.
We're talking about hacking here. Isn't everything beta all the time?
All the time, yeah. Almost the time is beta.
So just release, man.
But beta that work.
Release early, release often.
Yes, that's it. So, do you have some question, Juggy?
I do. Where's the coffee?
Where's the coffee? No coffee. Someone from the audience would like to make some question? 9 demos. Oops.
Ask about starting hardware. It looks like maybe the US side is back ordered for getting the hardware boards. What do you suggest for a starter kit?
A starter kit?
Are you from here? Yeah.
Yeah. So drop me a line. I can send you by email the complete information, because we have many options here, and I can point some links to you and some options. Okay, just send me an email.
Can you put a link on the website?
Oh,
can you put a link on the website for JHome?
Yes, I can.
So everyone can read.
Yeah. Actually, in JHome website we have the English version and of JHome website, and there we have a starter kit, and you can, based on that kit, you can buy the same hardware here, much more less expensive actually, and but write me an email and I send more information.
Does the Things API support Insteon?
Supported?
It support Insteon. Like, so you mentioned Zigbee, but Insteon is kind of like X10.
No.
Not yet.
No, we don't have Z-Wave and X10. We don't have, because we are doing what is more popular in Brazil, and it's not popular, this kind of communication.
Yeah, but this thing is open source, man, so you can do it.
You can do it.
The idea is to support multiple protocols, and we have been adding one by one as we need them.
You have the thing device interface you just implemented based on a Bluetooth device or some other device. You can extend our classes or implement that interface and add this kind of support to the API.
Is this a hobby or is this a business that you guys...
It's a hobby that we are trying to make business. Okay?
Yeah. Yes. Because we are producing these boards, and so not here, but in Brazil, we sell the robot, we sell the kit. So the idea is to empower developers that don't want to touch the hardware part, So that's our main goal, but it's pretty hard to do that.
We are an education company. We provide training, so we use this kind of thing to teach Java.
Yeah, that really means they spend money with it, and they hope somebody will pay at some point.
The question is, so you're open source, are you also open hardware? You have CAD drawings, people could build.
Yes, exactly. It's free. It's open source hardware. JHome is already open sourced, so it's both open source hardware and open source software. When we think that Things API is being released, is because we had the code underline the robot and the code underline JHome automation, and with the time, Vinicius noticed that they were things, both. So Things API, it's kind of unifying everything that were already done. So it will be launched, but for home automation, it's everything open source yet.
Okay, so in name of Soul Java and in name of Brazilian community, I would like to thank you everybody for coming to our talk.
Yeah, thank you.